Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 3, which is on page number 12, chapter 3 of EVS. And the name of this chapter is Playtime. So, students, open the page number 14 and sit with pencil. Chapter 3 Playtime. Thought of P.T. Usha. Now we will start reading the chapter. Yesterday, P.T. Usha visited our school as the chief guest of the annual sports day. So, who is P.T. Usha? P.T. Usha is a retired Indian track and field athlete. She is known as India's golden girl of athletics. She said that games and sport relax our mind. Playing games and sports is a good exercise. So, according to P.T. Usha, games and sports make our mind fit and give relaxation to our mind, and it is a good exercise to our body. It develops our confidence. Underline the word confidence, that is CONFIDENCE. Confidence means faith or trust. It makes us more disciplined in life and channelizes our mental and physical energy in a positive manner. Underline the word channelizes, that is CHANNELIZES, which means to give guidance. So, exercise constructs confidence and discipline in us to live life in better way and gives positive energy to our body and our mind. We become fresh and active after playing. Now, paragraph 1 and 2 in page number 12. Playing is fun means we can enjoy play. Now start reading. A game is a mental or physical activity played according to certain rules. A sport is an activity that is played according to a set of rules and encourages the spirit of competition. Underline the word competition, that is COMPETITION. Competition means match. So, to play sport, you must have to follow rules of that particular sport which you want to play, and you have to take it as competition in which you always want to win from your other competitors. The outcome, that is winning or losing, is a very important part of a sport. For example, playing chess at home is a game, but when it is played at national tournament, it becomes a sport. It means that if you play chess at home, then it is not so important because you are playing it only for fun. But when you play it at a national level, it becomes important because you are playing it for the whole country and you have a great responsibility to win for your country. Tournament world can be hard for you all, so underline this word. You can spell it as TOURNAMENT. RNAMENT, which means a series of contests between a number of competitors. Now paragraph 3 and 4 in page number 12. Now look at the third paragraph. Riya's cousin Megha is the captain of her school basketball team. She has to miss many classes to play matches or practice. Megha told Riya that her teachers and friends help her whenever she misses the class. So Megha, who is cousin of Riya, is the captain of her school basketball team. She plays for her school, due to which she has to leave her classes sometimes, but her teachers and classmates help her to complete work of her missed class because they feel proud at Megha. Now we will move to fourth paragraph. Megha practices in a sport complex every evening. Earlier, some boys did not like to practice with her, but the coach explained to them that on the field, everyone, whether a boy or a girl, is a player. So, why did those boys not like to practice with Riya? They do not like her because boys feel that they are stronger than Megha. Why do they think so? Because Megha is a girl and they are boys, but their coach explained to them they should not differentiate a girl from boys. Boys and girls both are equal on the field of game. In fact, there are some team sports like tennis, table tennis, squash and badminton where the team is made up of boys and girls both. Now look at the pink box of fact and. The word sport came from French word disport, which means leisure. Underline the word leisure, that is Leisure, which means spare time. Now you can see a worksheet which is your homework. So in it, number 1 is fill in the blanks. Name 2 games you like to play. That is, here write the names of those 2 games that you like to play. B part of it, Megha is the dash of her school. So you have to write here what is Megha in her school basketball team. So B part is Megha is the dash of her school basketball team. Second, give answer in yes or no for the following sentences. Part A. Do you play in a mixed group, boys and girls together? Yes or no? Means, do you like play with both boys and girls? Write yes if you like or write no if you don't like. Now the B part. Does anyone object when you play in a mixed group? Yes or no? Means, does anyone refuse you not to play with boys or play with girls? If any, write yes as your answer, or if none, then write no as your answer. So that's all for today. Thank you, class.